4 Real Systems presents 4 Real Fireworks, a custom fireworks app for Assetto Corsa designed to let you create your own cinematic firework messages directly in-game. With 4 Real Fireworks, you can write your own text, choose a second message, adjust the style, change the font, customize the colors, and add background effects for a more spectacular result. At the top of the app, you can select your language. The interface supports French and English, so you can use the app in the language you prefer. The Enable and Disable button allows you to turn the app on or off at any time. The Launch Now button instantly launches your current fireworks sequence using the settings you have selected. The Autofire option automatically repeats the sequence. You can also adjust the pause between each cycle so the fireworks launch at the rhythm you want. The Clear button removes all custom fireworks currently visible on screen. In the message section, you can choose the main effect style. For example, you can display a text message, a heart rings, a spiral, star rain, or a smiley effect. When using the text mode, you can type your first message, enable a second message, and choose the font style used to draw the letters in the sky. You can also activate symbols before and after the message. These symbols are placed at the edges of the text, giving the message a more decorative and premium look. The font option lets you change the visual style of the letters with different shapes such as classic, bold, slim, italic, or wide. The intensity slider controls the amount of particles and the visual power of the fireworks. The size slider changes the overall scale of the effect. The height slider controls how high the message appears in the sky. The width slider lets you stretch or tighten the text horizontally. The trajectory option changes how the fireworks travel before exploding. You can choose a straight launch, a curved launch, or a fan-style trajectory. In the colors section, you can choose the main and secondary colors of your fireworks. You can also activate random RGB mode, which gives each explosion a different color for a more dynamic result. The background option adds extra effects behind the message, such as fireworks, hearts, or a mix of both, to make the scene more alive without hiding the main text. In the launch point section, you can control where the fireworks are fired from. You can adjust the distance in front of the car, move the launch point left or right, or save a custom position. The Set Here button saves the current position as a fixed launch point. The In Front button resets the launch point so the fireworks launch in front of the player again. When you move your mouse over an option, a tooltip appears to explain what that setting does, making the app easier to understand and faster to use. At the bottom of the app, the Info section gives you quick access to the official Discord and Patreon pages. 4 Real Fireworks was built to make fireworks more personal, more cinematic, and easier to control. Write your message, choose your style, adjust the colors, and launch your own custom fireworks show. This is 4 Real Fireworks by 4 Real Systems.